morning, children. Today I am going to teach you 6th standard history, unit 2, human evolution. Come, let's discuss about the lesson. Human evolution. Children, in this lesson we are going to learn the origin of human and different stages of human evolution, and to the understand of fire and wheel, and the signification of rock painting of the ancient humans. Given picture represents stages of human evolution. Before 460 crore years, Earth evolves. Before 20 lakhs years, man started to walk. Before 3 lakhs years, man spread over earth. Before 8,000 years, they started cultivation. Before 5,000 years, they founded civilization. And last stage, modern man. Human evolution. The story of human evolution can be scientifically studied with the help of archaeology and anthropology. Archaeology is the study of prehistoric human remained materials used by prehistoric humans. Executive materials remains are the main sources of archaeological studies. Let's see human evolution. Stages of human evolution. First one, Australopithecus. Second one, Homo sapiens. Third one, Homo erectus. Fourth one is Neanderthal. Fifth one, Homo sapiens. The last one, Cro-Magnon. This is present man. The first one, Australopithecus, it is proto-human, evolved in Eastern Africa. A mix of human and ape traits, bipedal walk, walking on two legs. The next one, Homo habilis, presence of big toe to hold tightly and less protruding face. Tool maker. Homo erectus, walked in a straight position. He had the knowledge of the fire. Next one is Neanderthal. Different from Africans, their tools were crude. Hunting skills were also poor. There are evidence of burying they died. Evidence are seen at Neanderthal in Germany. The next one is Homo sapiens, modern human being, hunting and gathering society. Still used crude stones implements, moved out of Africa and settled in Europe and Asia. The last one, Cro-Magnon, that is the present man. 50,000 years ago in Eastern Africa and 40,000 years ago in Western Asia and in Southeastern Europe. Beginning of human life used not only implements made of stone but also of bone. Their weapons included Their weapons included harpoons and spear throwers. Before this, we have seen human evolution. Now, let's see about people and their habits. Australopithecus, East Africa, Homo habilis, South Africa, Homo erectus, Africa and Asia, Neanderthal, Eurasia, Europe and Asia, Cro-Magnon, France, Peking, China, Homo sapiens, Africa, Heidelberg's, London. Anthropology is the study of humans and evolutionary history. The word anthropology is derived from two Greek words. Anthropos meaning man or human, and logos meaning thought or reason. Anthropologists attempt by investigating the whole range of human development and behavior to achieve a total description of culture and social phenomena. Radiocarbon dating was used to ascertain the period. It was found out of the footprints of humans they had discovered were about 3.5 million years old. When there is sudden changes in nature, the living being adapt themselves to the changes and survive. Humans have thus evolved over millions of years adapting themselves to the changing time. This picture represents the migration of Homo sapiens from East Africa to other parts of the world. Children, do you know what is human evolution? Yes, let's know what is evolution. Human evolution means the process through which the mankind changes and develop towards an advanced stages of life. Changes in thumb so that they can hold things and tight. Development of brain. Homo sapiens who migrate out of the Eastern Africa settled in different parts of the world. So humans in different places adapt different forms of lifestyle based on weather, climate and nature of the living places. There their physical and complexion also differented. They result in the formation of different race. Human procreation resulted in an increase in the population. The next topic we are going to discuss about hunting and food gathering. Our ancestors led a nomadic life. They lived in groups in a cave or a mountain range. Each group consists of 30 to 40 peoples. They kept on moving in search of food. They hunting pig, deer, bison, rhino, elephant and bear for food. They also scavenged the animals killed by other wild animals like tiger. They learned the art of fishing. They also collected grain from the forest. Once their food resource got exhausted in one area, they moved to another place in search of food. So, humans began hunting to satisfy their need for food. Let's see the hunting method. First one, go as a group and hunt the prey. The second step, dig a pit and trap the animals and hunt. Next one is art of flaking. Keeping a stone in the bottom and sharpening it with other stone. To make a stone tool, two stones were taken. One we used as an hammer to sharpen, the other for removing flakes. This is a picture of stone tools and weapons. Hunting was the main occupation of the past. It was difficult for humans to kill a big animal with a stick or a stone. So they decided to use sharp weapons. The best stone for the making weapons was chikimukikal, that is flint. It is known for its strength and durability. Humans spend many hours in search of a flint stone. They made sharp weapons and tools with the help of the stones and fitted them with food to grab them. Humans create tools like axes with big stone. After making stone tools, humans discovered the uses of fire. At first, humans were afraid of fire and lightning. Probably fire caused by lightning had killed many wild animals. Humans tasted the flesh of the killed animals, which was soft and tasty. This made humans aware of the effect of fire. They used to find stone to make fire and used it to protect them from products for cooking food and for creating light during night. Those fire became important for man in olden times. The human invention was the wheel. The invention of wheel by humans is they considered to be the foremost invention. When humans saw the stone rolling down from the mountains, probably they would have got the idea of making the wheel. The next topic is pot making. Humans learned to make pot with clay. The invention of wheel made pot making easier, and the pots made were brought to making it stronger. The pots with a lot of colors. The color dyes were made from the extract of roots, leaves, or barks. These natural dyes were used in rocks paintings. Children, can you able to identify given the picture? In the picture, hunting scene in which man and woman are taking part. This is our ancestors' handwork. In fact, it is the first art of humanity. Before the use of language, humans expressed their feelings through action and also recorded it in rock paintings. The next topic is ancient rock paintings. In India, we can see many paintings in rocks and caves. The rocks painting given some information about the past. Approximately, there are 750 caves in which 500 caves have paintings. There are many more undiscovered caves. The rock paintings depict hunting pictures of the male and the female, dancing pictures, and pictures of children playing. There were many dangers involved in hunting. Due to large scale hunting in the mountain area and in the forest, many animals became extinct. Now, availability of meat forced the humans to look for fruits and vegetables for food. Next one is from nomadic to settled life. The world's earliest farmers. Nomadic means move to one place to another place. Human throw seeds of fruits and the nuts they were thrown into the soil. During rain, the soil gave it life. Some day later, the soil, the observation and learned that the plant grows from the single seed and yield lots of fruits and vegetables. Seeds that fall in the river beds sprout easily. Plants grow faster in water-fed areas. Alluvial soil is more suitable for plant growth than any other. With the above knowledge they gained, they realized that the proper sowing and nurturing, they could increase the number of plants more than the ones that grow naturally. The agriculture and farming came into existence. The animals and used in their farming. This is a picture of prehistoric rock art of Tamil Nadu. The place given here as Kelvalai, Vidupuram, Uslampatti, Madurai, Kumuthupatti, Coimbatore, Mavadaipudu, Coimbatore, Porivarai Cave, Karigayur, Nilgiris. During the prehistoric period, humans lived in caves and depict their daily even in drawings. Mostly picture of animal are drawn. Breeding of animals now became an important part of their life. oxen were used for plucking. Oxen made their practice of agriculture easier. Life was became organized than it was when they were hunting. It enabled them to settle down in a place. Now, with settlement came the problem of and vessels for cooking and storage. The invention of plough helped the farming practices. Farming started with the clearing of land and farming started with the clearing of land and burning the leftover shrub. Once the fertility of the soil declined, they moved to a new place. Initially, agriculture was done for immediate food requirement. Later, when they found out way of increased production, they started storing their production. The food production stored were used during the land harvest period. By their experience, they understood that land close to the river side was suitable for farming. So they decided to stay there permanently. Humans stayed on the plain for a long time. During this period, they have not only learned agriculture but slowly developed skills of handicraft. Permanent settlement in a place increased the yield of crops. Now they had grains in excess of what they consumed. The surplus grain were exchanged with other groups for the other things they were in need of. This is called the barter system. Thus, trades or commerce developed and towns and cities emerged. Children, let's discuss about summary of the lesson. Evolution means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. Homo sapiens migrate out of Eastern Africa and settled in different parts of the world. Humans, with the help of the Sikimukical, made sharp weapons and tools. Fire was used by early humans to protect him from predators, for cooking food and for the light during night. The invention of wheel is consists to be the foremost invention. It made pot making easier. We get knowledge about the past lifestyle through rock paintings. Children, hope you all understand the video session. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks to all.